What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Where are you from?
I am from London, England.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and going for walks.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to France and Italy.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing the guitar.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually spend my weekends hanging out with friends or watching movies.
What's something you're passionate about?
I am passionate about environmental conservation and sustainability.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
What's your dream vacation destination?
My dream vacation destination is Japan.